paper is made of wood fibers. So can you saw it? For this project, we go full protection. And we will be using some of my old school yearbooks. Our first tool candidate is the coping saw. Or maybe not. I forgot that I broke my saw in an earlier project. So we will directly move to the next candidate. The jigsaw. We want to be soft and gentle. So I'm choosing for the fine wood cutting blade. For all my cuts, the book will be tightly clamped so that it does not move, making the cut safer to execute. The plan is to cut a square in the book and review how the tool behaved. Let's go. That went pretty well. While we will discuss feedback later, one thing to observe is that it did generate a lot of really fine paper dust, so we will need to step up our breathing protection. Let's now go for the big baby, the circular saw. The saw is fitted with an old wood cutting blade that I keep for tests. Still needs a bit of finishing as the plunge cuts typically do not reach into the corners. But there you have it. The square has also been cut. And caused this time a lot more of heavy dust. So which method worked best? With the jigsaw, the cut was easy to make. Provided a good cut quality. But did require initial holes to be made to insert the blade. And created a really fine unpleasant dust. For the circular saw, The cut feels considerably more dangerous as the tool gives a really aggressive cut that tears its way into the paper. The final cut is of lesser quality, and took a lot more time to execute. So for me, sorry to say, but the Jigsaw is the winner. And if you wondered why cutting a square in old books was needed, because that is the best way to hide my guacamole.